Simplified project controls. Developing an integrated work breakdown structure, one of the 10 most critical project controls and earned value management processes.
Hi, my name is Willie Viljoen. I'm a subject matter expert with more than 40 years experience in project controls, of which 12 years were specifically specializing in earned value management principles. Why base a project on an integrated work breakdown structure? To ensure sound project controls, it is essential to integrate the scope, the schedule, cost, as well as engineering, procurement, and construction risks at control account level. An integrated work breakdown structure provides a more cost-effective and less labor-intensive project controls process. An integrated work breakdown structure is a critical earned value management principle which enables more accurate progress, performance, and status reports. Project control processes to support project management processes. We will now focus on developing an integrated work breakdown structure. Answers to the following three fundamental project control questions. When a project is based on a single integrated work breakdown structure, the following three fundamental project control questions can be answered with ease at cutoff times. What is the monetary value of the work planned? What is the monetary value of the work earned? And what is the actual cost for the work accomplished? A typical traditional work breakdown structure. Package deliverables are normally scattered in a traditional work breakdown structure, which makes project controls a major challenge. Who is doing what when? Establishing an integrated work breakdown structure and control accounts. If authorized scope can be identified where the organizational breakdown structure and the work breakdown structure intersects, the intersection becomes a control account.